DJM TV.
President Buhari, they use why they treat Zamfara State different from the other states when we say that all of them they suffer banditry. Correct Sabinus people, how una day? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Sake of the time when we say una take the look us on top our ogbonge day-to-day tori when we say the share onto our correct TV station when we say they call DJM TV. My name na Stanley Okocha. Una correct contributor. Na me wan yarn una the tori when it don shele on top of this time. The tori when we get this time go concern the main opposition political party for inside Nigeria when be People's Democratic Party, when country people mostly they call PDP. Sake of say dem don come out now come yarn their mind for the matter when e go concern make any aeroplane not dey fly again for the now for inside Zamfara State as e be say President Buhari don yarn and come out. The party say na because say the governor of the state when im name be Governor Matawali not be the same party with the Presido when e be say be All Progressive Congress APC na make am come put that kind matter on top of the state. The People's Democratic Party PDP yarn say President Buhari dey do big political ojoro for im gbege against bandits for inside the northeast for inside the country. The party come accuse President Buhari say him leave the All Progressive Congress APC state when e be say dem still dey suffer serious gbege for bandit hand like Zamfara State and come put im order for Zamfara State well. This one na the informate when e share today when e be say the political party talk man when im name be Kola Ologbodiyan dey yarn with tori people. Mr. Kola Ologbodiyan yarn say make the gbege to take vamoose bandits comot for inside Naija be the same for every state when e dey suffer the bandit wahala. Mr. Ologbodiyan yarn this one as im dey chook mouth for the matter wey go concern make aeroplane not dey fly for inside Zamfara State for this time sake of the Nigeria federal government believe say helicopters when they go carry kalash enter there they come from somewhere else come dey drop kalash for the bandits when e dey for inside Zamfara State and come dey use the opportunity take dey carry gold when e be say they don arrange sake of say e no follow law. For Mr. Ologbodiyan mouth, the position when the People's Democratic Party take for this matter be say anything when e be say the federal government of Nigeria wan do for inside the matter they must do am with oneness, not be to dey do selectivity for inside the matter. The PDP talk man come say if you put say make any aeroplane not fly for inside Zamfara, you go still go put the same make aeroplane not fly for inside Nasarawa as far as bandits still dey gbege for there. According to am, the reason be say na the same banditry when dey for inside Zamfara na im still dey for inside Nasarawa. After all, the same case of mining of mineral gold when no follow law still dey shele for inside Nasarawa as e dey shele for inside Zamfara. So wetin we dey talk be say make Nigeria federal government no come begin politics for inside the bandit gbege. For the PDP talk person mouth, if you think say Nigeria federal government no dey waka against the governor of Zamfara State sake of wetin im yarn, whereas na the same thing na im the governor of Kaduna State when im name be Malam Nasir El-Rufai and even Katsina State governor when im name be Governor Bello Masari yarn, why e come be say they come go put this law for Zamfara State and they not put the law for the state when e be say El-Rufai the governor wey be Kaduna State and even Masari the governor wey be Katsina State. He come yarn join say the Presido dey make the gbege look like say im get one hide mind for inside Zamfara State. For im mouth again, you dey make am look like Governor Matawale na one kind bad person. So we yarn say, okay, Mr. Governor, the PDP when you dey as your political party, anything when the federal government of Nigeria dey do, make you not join am for the matter. Leave them, let them take am as dem wan do am for anything when e be say e shele for inside the Zamfara State. Zamfara people go know say yes, no be you, your hand no be pass come, na the federal government of Nigeria hand na im pass come. The PDP talk person come still yarn say, sake of say the President Muhammadu Buhari don first try to take toast Governor Matawale to come join the All Progressive Congress wey be APC, but him no come gree to the toasting, na come make the President come yarn the way take yarn when he knack am say make any aeroplane no dey fly for inside Zamfara State until he still change the matter. The PDP talk person come still yarn say maybe na him cause the President to come dey treat the Zamfara matter different from the way they treat others like this. So him come still yarn join say the party no dey stand against anything when e be say President Buhari think say im fit do to take settlement the security wahala when e dey for inside Naija, but e come still quick yarn join say na the government na im dey suffer the blow pass. For the PDP talk person mouth again, our point for inside the People's Democratic Party PDP be say make the President no hide inside the emergency time when e be say e don put for inside Zamfara State now. Wetin dey shele for inside Niger State na the same thing na im still dey shele for inside Zamfara State. Because you try to drag the governor of Zamfara State come join your party, e come say no, e no go join, no mean say you go just separate am the way you dey separate am so from others. Make you remember say the same banditry so when e dey for inside Zamfara State na im dey shele for inside Niger State, na im dey shele for inside Katsina State, na im dey shele for inside Kaduna State, na im still dey shele for even inside Taraba State. Why e come be say na only Zamfara State you come dey separate? For the one wey go concern Governor Matawale, sake of say im be yarn say if e go take am to resign for office as governor of the Zamfara State, sake of say to find solution to the bandit gbege, Ologbodiyan come yarn say na the sake of the love and the sorry heart when the governor get for im people wey be people of Zamfara State, na make am yarn that one. Remember say Governor Matawale yarn when dey talk to tori people say if na for him to take resign to make the Zamfara State people to come dey sleep with their two eyes dey close, him go do am. Him go just resign to make sure say yes, they begin sleep with two eyes. Him go say for him no be person when dey hungry for power. For the governor mouth don dey since, and I no dey see sleep for night to make sure say Zamfara people get the protection when e be say they vote for me to make sure say I give them. As in dey chook mouth for this one, the PDP mouth man when be Mr. Kola Ologbodiyan yarn say Governor Matawale no yarn say him go resign. He only yarn sake of the love when e be say he get for him people when be the people of Zamfara State. Him come yarn say wetin Governor Matawale mean be say him go give up to let the federal government to take do wetin they go fit do and suppose do to bring peace to come Zamfara State, so that the people for Zamfara State go come fit dey sleep in peace and they will do their business in peace. Country people, na here our tori for still break leg for the time when be say we don take the yarn am since. We wan thank una for the time be say una don take the look us on top our TV station since when be DJM TV. And we wan still beg una say make una like this news story, make una still help us share am, and make una still comment for inside the comment box how una still see the tori, how e be for una mind. And again we wan still beg una make una subscribe if una never subscribe all this time when be say una don take the look us on top our ogbonge TV station. Until next time when e be say we go come una way again with another ogbonge tori wey go don share at that time. My name remains Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.